We welcome you all to our live Facebook bhajan session, 8 p.m. Kenya time. Today is 5th of June 2020. We have 8 hosts today. First host, Ek Yamuna Bhakt Parivar. Our second, and I would say our favorite host, Isha Dodia. Still praying for Isha. It's a week of prayers. Our third host, Ek Vaishnav Parivar. Our fourth host, Lara Kushal Patel. Lara is celebrating her birthday today. I can promise you, this girl, I don't know if she's watching, but she really loves the feeling that it's her birthday today. I actually saw her little clip on the Facebook. She was going on about it's my birthday today. Lara is the daughter of Kushal and Shivani Patel and the granddaughter of Ravibai and Neelaben Patel. Neelaben regularly joins our bhajan sessions and shares our videos with lots of family and friends. Thank you, Neelaben. We really appreciate that. Our fifth host, Suresh Bhai and Kumudben Sheikh. Suresh Bhai, I would say, is our honorary treasurer. He will always be our honorary treasurer for our Haveli. He took up this position when the Haveli thought was started in 2014. Until he left Kisumu, he continuously served as our treasurer. Thank you, Suresh Bhai. If you are watching, your seva means a lot to the Haveli. Our sixth host, late Mayurbai Gadia and Rajeshwari Ben Gadia Parivar. Rajeshwari Ben has hosted these bhajans today, wishing her brother Batuk Bhai from India a very happy 50th birthday, and her sister Sushma Ben and Piyush Kumar a very happy 38th anniversary. They reside in the US. It's a very happy occasion for that family. One more happy occasion, Janvi Pabari, she's our seventh host. Janvi is celebrating her birthday today. They have chosen our platform to celebrate this birthday. We really appreciate that. Janvi is the daughter of Jiten Bhai and Rita Ben Pabari. Both serve the Haveli, have served from the day the Haveli started. Janvi is the granddaughter of our trustee of our Haveli, Hasmukh Bhai Pabari and Chandrika Ben Pabari, who again are also our very regular listeners of the bhajan session. Our eighth host, Usha Ben Badiani. Usha Ben is dedicating this bhajan session to Nikesh Bhai and Meghna Ben. The message is, late Dr. Suresh Bhai Badiani and Usha Ben's son, who is in UK, Nikesh Bhai and Meghna Ben, are celebrating their wedding anniversary today. So we wish you a very happy wedding anniversary, and may Shri Thakurji's blessings be with you all. Thank you very much for hosting our bhajan sessions. We really appreciate your support. Please do share our videos as you join in with your family and friends. We'll start our bhajans today. We have 2 requests from the Sisaipo Parivar. We would like to sing both the requests because I think Jino Ben had requested and last time we could not sing them. So we'll sing both the bhajans today. So we'll start with the first one. Pagla Pado Vallabh Prabhuve. Again, this is the first time for us. We had very little time to do our practice today. We had a Zoom session with our Pujya Jajashri just a while ago. So please bear with us. I hope we get it right.
पगला पाड़ो वल्लभ प्रभु ने आज हमारा आंगनमा
पगला पाड़ो वल्लभ प्रभु ना आज हमारा आंगनमा
हे पगला पाड़ो वल्लभ प्रभु ना आज हमारा आंगनमा पगला पाड़ो वल्लभ प्रभु ना आज हमारा आंगनमा
जब जब करता कृष्ण गिरिधर आज हमारा आंगनमा पगला पाड़ो वल्लभ प्रभु ना आज हमारा आंगनमा
जीवन नी विपड़ा छे भारी जीवन नी विपड़ा छे भारी दर्शन आपो है गिरधारी करो पीड़ा मारी
आज तो आओ आंगनमा
हे दूर करो पीड़ हमारी आज आओ आंगनमा
जब जब करता कृष्ण गिरिधर आज हमारा आंगनमा पगला पाड़ो वल्लभ प्रभु ना आज हमारा आंगनमा
गीतों माझे अर्जी हमारी
गीतो माझी अर्जी हमारी
सादर सामणो कृष्ण मुरारी धन्य करी दो
दोषनो मारे ताज तो आवो आंगनमा
हे धन्य करी दो कृष्ण मारी आज तो आवो आंगनमा
जब जब करता कृष्ण गिरिधर आज हमारा आंगनमा पगला पाड़ो वल्लभ प्रभु ना आज हमारा आंगनमा
तम लीला तो एवी नारी
तब लीला तोरी नारी
धन्य धन्य गोवर्धन धारी
कृपा करो हे करुणा करे आज पधारो आंगनमा
कृपा करो हे करुणाकारी आज पधारो आंगनमा
जब जब करता कृष्ण गिरिधर आज हमारा आंगनमा पगला पाड़ो वल्लभ प्रभु ना आज हमारा आंगनमा
पगला पाड़ो वल्लभ प्रभु ने आज हमारा आंगनमा आज हमारा आंगनमा
आज हमारा आंगनमा
Go to our second bhajan. Fairly new bhajan, but a black and white movie bhajan. So we'll give it a try. I remember, I think Ashok Bhai Sonchandla had also requested for this bhajan some time ago. Tum hi ho mata, pita tum hi ho bandhu, sakha tum hi ho. First time for us again. So
तुम ही हो माता पिता तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही हो
तुम्ही हो माता पिता तुम्ही हो
पिता तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही हो।
तुम ही हो माता पिता तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही हो।
तुम ही हो साथी तुम ही सहारे, कोई न अपना सिवा तुम्हारे, कोई न अपना सिवा तुम्हारे। तुम ही हो साथी तुम ही सहारे, कोई न अपना सिवा तुम्हारे, कोई न अपना सिवा तुम्हारे। जो खिल सके ना वो फूल हम हैं, तुम्हारे चरणों की धूल हम हैं, तुम्हारे चरणों की धूल हम हैं। जो खिल सका ना वो फूल हम हैं, तुम्हारे चरणों की धूल हम हैं, तुम्हारे चरणों की धूल हम हैं।
की दृष्टि सदा ही रखना, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही हो माता पिता तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही हो।
तुम ही हो माता पिता तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही हो।
Going to our next bhajan. We are attempting one bhajan sung by Anup Jalota, Wo Kala Ek Bansuri Wala. First time for us again.
वो काला एक बांसुरी वाला, बांसुरी वाला, बांसुरी वाला, बांसुरी वाला। वो काला एक बांसुरी वाला,
वो काला एक बांसुरी वाला,
वो काला एक बांसुरी वाला।
वो काला एक बांसुरी वाला।
सुध बिसरा गया मोरी रे, सुध बिसरा गया मोरी, सुन बिसरा गया मोरे
वो काला एक बांसुरी वाला, वो काला एक बांसुरी वाला।
पनघट पे मोरी भैया मरोड़ी
पनघट पे मोरी भैया मरोड़ी।
हे पनघट पे मोरी भैया मरोड़ी मैं बोली तो मेरी मटकी फोड़ी
पनघट पे मोरी भैया मरोड़ी, मैं बोली तो मेरी मटकी फोड़ी।
भैया पढ़ो करो बिनती में
ओ
करो
भैया पढ़ो करो बिनती में पढ़ो।
माने ना माने ना एक वो मोरी रे सुध मिसरा गया मोरी
वो काला एक बांसुरी वाला, वो काला एक बांसुरी वाला।
चुप गयो फिर एक तान सुना के
चुप गयो फिर एक तान सुना के।
हे चुप गयो फिर एक तान सुना के कहाँ गयो एक बाण चला के
चुप गयो फिर एक तान सुना के, कहाँ गयो एक बाण चला के।
गोकुल ढूंढा मैंने मथुरा ढूंढी
गोकुल ढूंढा मैंने मथुरा ढूंढी।
कोई नगरिया न छोड़ी रे
सुन बिसरा गया मोरी, वो काला एक बांसुरी वाला, वो काला एक बांसुरी वाला।
है सुध बिसरा गया मोरी रे
सुन बिसरा गया मोरी,
माखन चोर जो
नंद किशोर जो माखन छोर वो नंद किशोर जो।
जय कर गयो मन की चोरी रे
सुन बिसरा गया मोरी हो, वो काला एक बांसुरी वाला, वो काला एक बांसुरी वाला, वो काला एक बांसुरी वाला।
We go to our next bhajan. This is a favorite for Usha Ben Banyani. She will always ask for this bhajan. This is also a favorite. My brother-in-law in the UK, Milton Keynes, Atul and Kalpana both really like this bhajan. Meva made ke na made, mare seva hamari karvi che. Just forgot to mention, the last 3 or 4 days we have had complaints of the internet issues. I think it's a general problem in this town or this city. So we hope this is resolved soon. So Meva Made ke na Made.
મુક્તિ મળે કે ના મળે, મારી ભક્તિ તમારી કરવી છે. મુક્તિ મળે કે ના મળે, મારી ભક્તિ તમારી કરવી છે.
મેવા મળે કે ના મળે, મારી સેવા તમારી કરવી છે. એ મુક્તિ મળે કે ના મળે, મારી ભક્તિ તમારી કરવી છે. હે મારો કંઠે મધુરો ન હોય ભલે, મારો સુર બેસુરો હોય ભલે.
મારી કવિતા તમારી કરવી છે.
એ શબ્દ મળે કે ના મળે, મારે કવિતા તમારી કરવી છે. હું પંથ તમારો છોડું નહીં, ને દૂર ક્યાંય દોડું નહીં.
પુણ્ય મળે કે ના મળે, મારી પૂજા તમારી કરવી છે.
એ પુણ્ય મળે કે ના મળે, મારે પૂજા તમારી કરવી.
આવે જીવનમાં તડકાની છાયા, સુખ કે દુઃખના ત્યાં પણ છાયા.
હે આવે જીવનમાં તડકાની છાયા, સુખ કે દુઃખના ક્યાં પણ છાયા.
કાયા રહે કે ના રહે, મારી માયા તમારી કરવી છે.
કાયમ હે કે ના રહે, મારે માયા તમારી કરવી છે.
મેવા મળે કે ના મળે, મારી સેવા તમારી કરવી છે.
ઓ મેવા મળે કે ના મળે રે, મારી સેવા તમારી કરવી છે.
મુક્તિ મળે કે ના મળે, મારી ભક્તિ તમારી કરવી છે.
કે મુક્તિ મળે કે ના મળે, મારી ભક્તિ તમારી કરવી છે.
મારી સેવા તમારી કરવી છે.
કે મારી ભક્તિ તમારી કરવી છે.
મારી પૂજા તમારી કરવી છે.
મારી
પૂજા તમારી
તમારી કરવી So the last bhajan, or should I say a garbo, this is a special request from Rajeshwari Ben Parivar for her brother and her sister. They are Mataji Bhakt, so we thought we'll take a Mataji's garbo. Range rame anand rame, aaj nav durga range rame. रंगे रमे आनंद रमे रे आज नव दुर्गा रंगे रमे आदित्य अवियाल बेली अम्मा हे मंडप मत वाली माने मेरे आज नव दुर्गा रंगे रमे सोड़ी शनिधार माने अंगे शोभेरे सोड़ी शनिधार माने अंगे शोभेरे बिरलार तन माने अरुणा सवेरे आज नव दुर्गा रंगे रमे आनंद रमे आज नव दुर्गा रंगे रमे मंगलवारे माज छेरे ओ मंगमा हे चाचर आवीने मां कर मेरे रमेरे आज नव दुर्गा रंगे रमे आनंद रमे आज नव दुर्गा रंगे रमे बुधवारे माज बेटा विराजे हे रास विलास मानो जाओ मेरे आज नव दुर्गा रंगे रमे आनंद रमे आज नव दुर्गा रंगे रमे हे गुरुवारे आई गरबे रमे जे जे चंदन पुष्पे तेने माने गवेरे आज नव दुर्गा रंगे रमे आनंद रमे आज नव दुर्गा रंगे रमे शुक्रवारे माझी बावर धरीने शुक्रवारे माझी बावर धरीने हे ब्राह्मण रमने माने गवेरे आज नव दुर्गा रंगे रमे आनंद रमे आज नव दुर्गा रंगे रमे हे शनिवारे महाकाली थया छे हे भिक्षा भोजन माने गमता छवेरे आज नव दुर्गा रंगे रमे आनंद रमे आज नव दुर्गा रंगे रमे वल्लभ कहे माने भाव बजोने वल्लभ कहे माने भाव बजोने हे रास विलास मानो गाओ मेरे आज नव दुर्गा रंगे रमे रमे Thank you very much. All those who joined in, all those who shared and liked our videos. Today was Friday, 5th June. Our hosts, Ek Yamuna Bhakt Parivar from the UK, Isha Dodia. Isha has actually become our fan, she's always joining us. Thank you, Isha. And we wish you a very, very quick recovery. Ek Vaishnav Parivar, Lara Kushal Patel, wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Hope you had a great day. Lara is the daughter of Kushal and Shivani Patel, granddaughter of Ravi Bai and Neelaben Patel. Sisaipo group have always been very supportive to the Haveli and our bhajan sessions. Thank you. Suresh Bhai and Kumud Ben Sheikh. I do hope, Suresh Bhai, that you get a chance to watch this video. We really, really miss you at the Haveli. Sixth host, late Mayur Bhai Kadia and Rajeshwari Ben Kadia. Wishing Patuk Bhai a very happy 50th birthday. Patuk Bhai is Rajeshwari Ben's brother. And her sister Sushma Ben and Piyush Kumar. Very, very happy 38th anniversary. They do reside in the US. Janvi Pabari celebrating her birthday today. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. May Shri Thakurji's blessings always be with you. Janvi is the daughter of Chitan Bhai and Rita Ben Pabari. Again, as I had mentioned, very, very supportive, very helpful, and always giving seva at the Haveli. Granddaughter of our trustee Hasmukh Bhai Pabari and Chandrika Ben Pabari. Our 8th host Usha Ben Padiani, wishing Nikesh Bhai and Meghna Ben a very, very happy wedding anniversary from late Dr. Suresh Bhai Padiani and Usha Ben Padiani. Tomorrow is Saturday, 6th June. It's a very, very special day for us. Again, it's going to be a 1-hour session tomorrow. I'm not really sure whether our viewers on Facebook like the idea of the 1 hour or not. My people at home tell me, can you quickly finish this session before people get bored? Well, tomorrow's hosts, Madhuben and Paresh Bhai Haria Parivar, they have 2 birthdays in their family. Radiyat Ben Amrutlal Haria's birthday, that's Paresh Bhai's mom. And Paresh Bhai's brother's son, Ansh Mayur Haria, is celebrating his birthday tomorrow as well. Wishing you a very happy birthday in advance. Our hosts of the week, Dipen Bhai, Rima Ben, and Isha Dodia Parivar. And the 3rd host is Thakrar Parivar, that is Rajesh Thakrar. I had mentioned yesterday he was celebrating his birthday, but they've chosen to do their Shraddhanjali for their father, Shri Chandulal Bhai, Maganlal Bhai, Raghunath Bhai Thakrar. That's the name correctly said. It's 2 years since he passed away. So we are actually going to, with all due respects to our hosts, we're going to have a Shraddhanjali Bhavna event tomorrow. Rajesh was telling me that we would like to cherish the memories of his father, so we're going to have the happy numbers, not the very sad numbers. So the hosts are also celebrating their birthdays, so we'll have a happy session tomorrow. So 1 hour session, please be prepared for that. Till then, stay safe. Jai Shri Krishna. See you tomorrow, 8 p.m. Kenya time.